The other day, I saw a pillion passenger and a boda operator in an altercation, which was due to misunderstanding on fare to be charged. So I'm asking both of you, a boda operator and a pillion passenger, make sure you agree on the destination and the fare to be charged. Why? This is to avoid misunderstanding at the end of the journey, and it ensures safety and it builds up the trust. Remember, the clearer the agreement, the smoother the journey. Hashtag ni safe rides. Keep watching Roadwatch KE for more safety tips.